Hey guys, Wakas here. So you're trying to sign in to your Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad, and suddenly you hit this super annoying message. Too many codes sent. Enter the last code you received or try again later. And here's the frustrating part. You didn't even do anything wrong. You just tried to log in and boom, you're locked out. And no code is showing up. Yeah, it's one of the most common Apple ID headaches out there. So in this video, I'll quickly explain why this happens and then show you two methods to actually fix it. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, why does this even happen? So Apple uses two-factor authentication to protect your account. Basically, every time you sign in on a new device, it sends a verification code to your trusted number or another trusted device. Now, if too many code requests get made in a short time, Apple system thinks someone might be trying to break into your account. So it just slams the brakes and stops sending codes for a while. That's what triggers this error. It's a security thing, it's protecting you, but yeah, it's a pain when you're the actual owner just trying to log in. Alright, so let's fix it. Method 1 first. Now, honestly, the simplest fix is patience, but not the way you think. Apple system needs time to reset, and requesting codes over and over just makes it worse. It keeps restarting that timer. So here's what you do. Stop requesting new codes completely. Don't tap resend, don't keep trying. Just leave it alone for a full 24 hours. Sometimes even a few days if it's really stubborn. And during that time, don't touch it at all because every new attempt resets the block. So the trick is literally just walk away from it. Then, after the wait, try signing in again on your iPhone or iPad, and a lot of the time, the code will finally come through. Now, while you're waiting, do one important thing. Make sure your trusted phone number is actually correct. So, on another device where you're already signed in, go to Settings, then tap your name at the top, go to Sign in and Security, and check your trusted phone number. If it's an old number or wrong, that's your whole problem right there. So add or update it to your current number. Okay, now method 2. And this one's a lifesaver if the waiting just isn't working. So the trick here is to get your code through a different Apple service instead of the one that's blocking you. Grab another device, an Apple TV, or even a game console like an Xbox or PlayStation works. Download the Apple TV app on it and make sure it's not already signed in. Now sign in with your Apple ID there, and when it asks, choose to send the verification code as a text to your phone. And here's the thing, because it's coming through a different service, it often bypasses that block and the code actually arrives. Then you just use that code to get back in. Kind of a clever little workaround. Now, if honestly neither of these works and you've been stuck for days, then your best bet is Apple's official account recovery. Just head to iforgot.apple.com from any browser and follow the steps there. Apple will help you regain access. It just might take a little time. So, real quick to recap, if you get too many codes sent, first stop requesting codes and wait it out. And double check your trusted number. And if that fails, try getting the code through another Apple service like the Apple TV app. And as a last resort, use iforgot.apple.com. So I hope this helped you get back into your account. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone and iPad fixes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.